Good evening to all my viewers. This is IIT Times, and here I bring you the news which changes the face of the world. IITians, who are considered to be the pride of the nation, don't realize their responsibilities these days. Moreover, reports from anonymous source say that IITians misuse the facilities provided to them. Let's see what a team found when they visited the hostel of IIT Bhubaneswar at Kesura.
Good evening, Shreyansh. This is Tushar Gautam reporting from Kesura Hostel of IIT Bhubaneswar. Now, we are showing you the pics. These fans and lights of these flats, empty flats, are still switched on. When all the students of these flats and hostel are going for a meeting or concert. So, we are showing you these fans are still switched on. These fans, these lights, even not only these holes, even in this bathroom, even in this kitchen, even in these rooms, all the lights, all the fans are switched on. See this. This is the very big wastage of power and the electricity. Now, we are meeting a very student of this hostel and we are taking the interview and we have seen some questions from him. Good evening, sir. What's your name?
Kiran.
Kiran. Good evening, Kiran. So, you are just cleaning this flat?
Yeah.
Okay. So, why do you leave all these fans, all these equipments on?
Actually, they don't charge me extra even though I keep it on. So, it's not that important.
But Kiran, is it your responsibility to switch off all these fans when you leave this room?
Actually, it is, but I was very busy. I got a phone from some important person, so I had to leave very fast. So,
Hey, who cares? Yeah, we pay the fees now. It's everything included. They are just looting us. We pay the fees and all the electricity bill and all that. And that only. Who cares?
But Abhishek, Mr. Abhishek, you are an IIT student, and everyone expects you to do such good things to your nation. But it's your duty to switch ensure that all these equipments are switched on.
Hey, what's this nonsense? Wastage, all that. We are engineers. We are not meant to switch off this and who cares? Yeah, man, what you are talking about.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek. Thank you for your response. Ensuring such a mindset of all these students of IIT Bhubaneswar, we have found that these are not responsible enough. So, back to the studio. I am Tushar Gautam with cameraman Dogra reporting live from Kesura Hostel, IIT Bhubaneswar.
So this was the response we got from the students of IIT Bhubaneswar. Now let's see what and how this affects the society. So let's stop the wastage of electricity. See you next time when any other social issue arises. Thank you, IIT Times.